Okay, it's springtime here out in the garden. Yes, let's see what we can do out in the garden today. Got a few bags of garden mulch. Touch up all the garden beds. This is before shot. And yeah, pretty bare and empty. Just a quick look around. And then we'll get stuck into it, and yeah, it sort of looks like after it's finished. It should brighten it up a bit. Okie dokie. Catch you soon. Okay, now we'll just take a look and see what it looks like with the new garden surrounds, edging. Yeah, they're good. You can hit them with a whippersnipper or a weed whacker, and yeah, they don't mark. They're all powder coated. So the edges are, yeah, turned out really good. Let's quick look around. Nice day to be out in the garden. And a couple of rabbits down here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice day. Actually, starting to come into the evening now. Yeah, very good. Number 7. Got the cock on the roof. Yep, turned out really well. Love the gardening. These are the edges down along the side here, all the way around. This looks pretty cool. Going into the pergola. This is the pergola area. And way over in the distance, stepping stones, Mr. Frog. Oh, another frog. Love the garden. Okay, just moseying along, and over here you got Mr. Scarecrow. Hello, Mr. Scarecrow. And was that say kangaroos next 25 k's through that gateway? Ah, really? Cool. Anyway, yeah, well that's it. Fun and games today. Nice day for it. Oh, the old watering can fell over. Well, they're the edges. Comes in around the corner there, straight up around that way, all the way down, in and around. Halfway, you got this one that comes all the way around here in the front. Oh, there you have it. Big palm tree. On that note, everybody loves my body all the time. Scooby-Doo. Ciao for now. Bye.